to go to Tennessee.
Me get mad at some bitch. Make me get mad.
This is part of the journey to Western Express orientation.
Ticket, $300, and I got to pay another motherfucker come to Savannah and pick me up. That bullshit.
So I'm here at the bus stop here in Atlanta, and I tell y'all, I literally had to call Greyhound because my first bus had got delayed, so you gotta call Greyhound and then let them know, and then they schedule for a different time. So my next one is at 8:30, but it's alright. It's just not as clean as the Jacksonville one, and there's a lot going on over here. But yeah, and then I ain't gonna arrive to the Western Express till probably about midnight. So taking the bus is quite a lot, like, because at the end of the day you got kids that's crying and traffic, of course. But the bathrooms was pretty decent for the most part, and it was quiet at first until we made our stop from Savannah to Atlanta. It was like a lot of chaos going on, but I'm just waiting right now. Alright, so y'all, this is the room. I'm the first one to get here, so I kind of already sprayed everything in the Lysol. That's what I used. I got some of this, and then I sprayed the room with some of this as well. And she said, since I'm the first one here, pretty much I get a roommate whenever she comes. TV. This is that. And it's the bathroom. I'm not gonna lie, I don't see anything that stands out that's making me like iffy or anything. So thankfully for that. I'm tired, so I'm about to go ahead and head to bed. Alright, so y'all, it's about to be 1 o'clock, and basically it took me from 8 a.m. till now to reach Nashville, Tennessee, coming all the way from Florida. One thing I can say is if you have after hours, like you get here after hours, you have your own way of getting your own transportation. Like I had to get an Uber. The shuttle stopped at like 10 p.m. When you first get here, you gotta give them your ID, and then once they see that you in for orientation, she checks you in. She'll tell you pretty much, are they getting the front renovated or something like that? So they'll give us breakfast on the patio, 1 to 2. Orientation is at like 5. Well, orientation is at 7 a.m., but the shuttle runs from 5:45 to 6:30. So I want to make sure that I'm up for that. But I'm tired right now, so I'm about to take my butt to bed. I'm just making sure everything looks as good as it needs to be. Other than that, though, I'll catch y'all tomorrow morning because I am tired. I'll do a better video then, but bus is insane. And keep in mind, this is a second chance company, so I can't do too much complaining, but I'm thankful that my room don't have bed bugs. I lift up my bed and everything. Like I said, I don't see any roaches or anything like that. When I first walked in here, though, it smelled like bleach, so I can't sit up here and, front or anything. Like I said, everything pretty much looks good to me, and I do a thorough check, so I'm just glad I got here first. But the TV ain't really too much major. You can tell it's an old hotel though. So yeah, talk to y'all later.